Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Whether you prefer working out at home or hitting the gym, there are fantastic workout apps that can help you stay motivated and on track. Today, we're diving into 3 of the best workout apps available for Android, each designed to support your fitness goals in unique ways. Let's get started. Home Workout, No Equipment. Home Workout, No Equipment is a highly rated app designed for users who want to stay fit without the need for gym equipment. This app provides a variety of workouts that can be performed at home, targeting different muscle groups, including abs, legs, arms, and more. Each workout is designed with clear illustrations and instructions, making it easy for users of all fitness levels to follow along. The app also includes customized workout plans and challenges, allowing you to track your progress and stay motivated. With features like reminders and the ability to track your workout history, Home Workout, No Equipment is perfect for anyone looking to achieve their fitness goals from the comfort of their home. Workout for Women. Workout for Women is specifically tailored to meet the fitness needs of women, offering a wide range of workouts that focus on strength, flexibility, and overall health. The app provides guided routines that can be done anywhere, making it ideal for busy schedules. Users can choose workouts based on their fitness level and desired outcomes, such as weight loss, toning, or building strength. With short workout videos and clear instructions, users can easily follow along. The app also includes features like a workout calendar and progress tracker, helping users stay accountable and motivated on their fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, this app is designed to empower women in achieving their fitness goals. Gym Workout Tracker. Gym Workout Tracker is an excellent app for those who frequent the gym and want to keep track of their workout routines. This app allows users to log their exercises, sets, repetitions, and weights, providing a comprehensive overview of their progress. Users can create personalized workout plans or choose from pre-designed routines tailored to specific fitness goals, such as strength training, bodybuilding, or endurance building. The app also offers a built-in timer for rest intervals and tracks your overall progress with charts and statistics. With its focus on performance tracking and goal setting, Gym Workout Tracker is perfect for anyone serious about improving their fitness in a gym setting. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best workout apps inspires you to find the perfect companion for your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and recommendations. Which app are you excited to try, or do you have favorites of your own? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay active and healthy.